Hello, this is RJ with RJ's Amazing Entertainment, kidsfunpartyideas.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a basic princess wand. We'll start out with the green color. You can choose any color that the little girl or boy wants. We're going to inflate this almost all the way. There's just a little bit left on the tail, and then we'll twist the tail and the nozzle in together, making a loop. We'll take this side and twist a petal about 4 or 5 fingers in length. Match it on the other side. And then we have this cute little loop, and right in the middle we'll divide it, twist it around. We have that. And then you can take a topper. I love using these heart-shaped balloons. I get them from Qualitex, T. Meyer Magic, and this is just, every little girl goes, "Oh, it's a heart! How'd you do that?" Actually, the boys say that more than the girls, because the girls are paying attention. Then you lock the heart topper in place, and there's your princess wand. Make sure you subscribe so you can receive updated videos as they come out. Have a great day.